So now that we've got these research queries populated from the uh, the product the product information tab, the first one on this sheet, the keyword tabs for product keywords, and then all of the other tabs will have some information. So product characteristics, all the way from mapping from features. Um, there's information from the goals in here, the pain points in here. It looks like these two were broken. And there's some information from challenge. All right, so this, it looks like it got a little banged up. So I'll just show you in the template how it's set up. But basically, okay, these were probably left blank on purpose, right? So the top 10 articles, usually if you Google search anything that has the word best and then a product name, it will give you an affiliate article. So best this, best keywords, whatever it is. There's usually a lot of good language on those. So going back to this, best pet dental water additive, greatpetcare.com has something that has a lot of information on it. Periodontal disease wasn't mentioned in our product research, so this is interesting to use. Water additives contain enzymatic ingredients that are going to help slow so there's like a lot of really good information in some of these articles that can be used to help research your copy. So the top 10 articles are great. Top 10 articles. Now, with that being said, like best freshens breath, right? This is all for people. So you add dogs at the end. So you'll have to edit these a little bit, right? They're not going to be perfect. You'll have to tweak them a little bit. But greenies, I think everyone's heard of greenies if you own a dog. Bunch of stuff here. These are actually just Amazon affiliate articles. All these are going to click to Amazon, and the person that owns the site is going to get a commission on it if you buy it. Pretty cool model. But again, those are people that we want to get information from because they've really done a good job trying to match the search intent for these products and have good content on it and understand what they're talking about. Various blogs around goals and values, so specifically the use case of the product, what it does. So like this is probably going to be a little bit interesting, but best trips to the vet. And again, one thing important is we're excluding our primary brand from these search results, so that way we're not getting our own stuff. But 12 tips to avoiding trips. So this is probably not helpful, right? Not all of these are going to be helpful, but in some cases there may be some really good information in here that we might want to use. So we could search breath. Okay, so this is all about breathing. So yeah, I mean, it's really, again, research. You have to look through these, determine what makes sense, what doesn't. Really flip through and learn. And what you're doing is, as you're finding stuff, you're extracting it and putting it in here. So here's someone asking about on Reddit if these things are effective. And here's the piece of copy that was extracted out. So we're gonna search it. It's probably somewhere in here. Here we go. I use them. Can't hurt. Dental treats, hard to. I have 5 dogs. I'm not gonna brush 5 mouths consistently. So this was, we already identified this was a pretty big pain point for owners, is having to actually brush it. This person has 5 dogs. That's insane. So forget trying to do that. And so again, like you put the link to the Reddit thread, you just copy it out, paste it in here, take your copy, do everything you do with review mining. The topic, failures, away from pain, and in the index, it's just going to use the same topics. So that's where I was saying, like, I didn't make a dashboard for this section. I could, and then it'd be interesting to compare them, or even just combine them and then pull the data. But in a future release, if you guys are interested in that, I'll work on this and get this set up. But the idea is you're going through, you're trying to find a couple that are product specific, a couple that are use case specific on Reddit. You want to get a couple of top 10 articles. You want to get a couple of blogs on use cases and products. So in this case, like this one was about dental chews. Okay, so that was the article we were looking at before. dental care for dogs, home tips and advices. So the blogs had some really good information in them. This particular blog had 3 bits that were really good. So we can read them all here. And again, the research queries give you more information. It's an iterative process. It's not just leveraging mind reviews, but it's also now Reddit's top 10 articles, blogs, and a lot of that just gets cleanly generated here. It's really just an easy place to start searching for some of what this stuff does. So this is another really nice tool to learn from, to get some copy from. And yeah, we'll jump into the next one.